Hi, Domenica here from Easy Sewing for Beginners. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to thread a sewing machine ready to sew. Okay, I'm going to be using a Janome DC 4030, and if you'd like to see my review of this machine then I'll put a link in the description down below for you. Alright, let's get started. So what you'll need is some thread and you'll need a bobbin. I'm going to put our thread onto the spool here and secure it in place with the little spool disc there. We need to place the thread under the bobbin thread guide here, like so, and then we need to put the tip of the thread through one of the holes in the bobbin, going from the inside out. Okay. Next we need to put the bobbin onto the bobbin spindle and push it over to the right. Now I'm just going to hold the end of the thread there. I'm going to put my foot on the pedal, and once the thread's secure on the bobbin there, I can let that top piece go. Okay, once you have the amount of thread that you need on the bobbin, just push it back over to the left, take it off, and then snip the excess bit of thread off there, and then give the thread a snip as well just to release that bobbin. Okay, so that bit's done. Next we need to thread the machine. So I'm going to take it out from under the bobbin thread guide there, and I'm going to place it under the first thread guide there at the top, and it needs to go down this line here. I'm just going to move the camera down for you. Okay, it needs to go up and under that bit there, back up to the top here, and just need to make sure your take up lever is all the way up, and then I'm going to thread it behind and then through the take up lever. So I'll just show you now. The thread is there under the check spring holder and going through the hole in the take up lever. Okay, next down the bottom here there's another thread guide that the thread needs to go through behind, and then on the needle bar here there's another hook on the side that I need to hook the thread behind, like so. Okay, now we need to put the thread through the eye of the needle. I'm going to use my automatic threader here. This automatic threader has two hooks. It's got a plastic hook on the side here that it needs to be hooked under, and then there's a metal hook that goes through the eye of the needle. So I'm going to hook it under that metal hook and then just release that automatic threader up, and it will bring a loop through, and you just need to pull the rest through like so. Okay, now we need to put the bobbin thread in. So you need to take off your hook cover plate, and I've got our bobbin here that we put thread on just a moment ago. Now you need to make sure your thread is going counterclockwise. I'm going to place that into the bobbin holder there. Make sure your thread is going through the first thread guide there. I'll just put you a bit closer so you can see. Okay, and then make sure the thread is going through the tension spring blades there. Now we need to get this bobbin thread up and through the machine. So what I'm going to do, I usually use my up-down needle button on my machine, but I'm going to use my hand wheel just so it's a bit easier for you to see. So I'm going to turn my hand wheel towards me, and you can see that top thread going over the bobbin. Okay, and now I'm just going to gently pull that top thread and you'll see the bobbin thread come through. Let's pull that up and then just guide the thread under and towards the back of the machine there. Just need to replace the hook cover plate, and there you go, your machine is ready to sew. If you found this video useful, then hit the like button down below, and also if you have any questions or comments, then feel free to leave them down below also. Okay, thank you.